Episode 1 of trying to turn $0 into $10,000 using my phone. First, I looked for a free item on Facebook Marketplace that I knew I could flip for a profit. I found this crib and picked it up because I saw similar ones selling for at least $50. I listed it right away and it sold super quickly. Now I had $50 to work with, so I went back to Facebook Marketplace to try and find some more items to flip. I picked up this golf club for $40 and sold it on eBay for $100 a couple days later. Then I bought another golf club for $40 again and sold it on Craigslist for $100. Now I had $150. I continued looking on Facebook Marketplace and came across this insane find, which was this Canon camera lens. She wanted $150 and I offered her $120, which she said yes to. I picked up the lens and sold it on eBay for $209. After fees and shipping, I had a total of $220 now, and I wanted to try something different. I decided to try dropshipping and found these sweet, easy to install car lights on AliExpress. I built a pretty bare bones Shopify store and then paid a huge Instagram account $100 to post an ad for me. Follow if you want to see how much we make in the next episode. Peace.